Hello, guys. So I wanted to share my experience using these Gamer Advantage blue light protection glasses and tell you what I like, dislike about them. And the way I tested them, the glasses is just by wearing them and just looking at the computer and doing different tasks. I don't have any special equipment to measure the light that is being blocked by these glasses. So also at the end, I will give you some other tips if you don't want to spend the money in buying these glasses of other options that you also have that can help you if you're having any problems when working on your computers. So here we have the Gamer Advantage website. So they have two models here, the Resmi Focus and Resmi Sleep. So I have the Resmi Sleep, and the reason I decided to get this one is that I was having this burning sensation in my eyes when working on the computer. So this one offers more protection, as you can see here. And this one offers about 42% of the 455 nanometer blue light. And as we can see here, that line will be around here, and that's exactly where most LCD displays produce most of that blue light. That's where the blue light peaks the most. So that's where they are actually trying to block that light. And what I can tell you here, the reason I bought these glasses is that they don't have that strong yellow color like other glasses. So, for example, like the Gunnar glasses here, and I have done a video review if you want to look at that. So, as you can see, it's much more natural, the colors that you're able to see. It does have a really a slight tint color, but it's just really unnoticeable. Uh, but what I can tell you here, my experience using them is that they have worked, but I have noticed that when gaming, I do feel the burning sensation coming back again. And I feel like when gaming, my eyes are just so focused on the screen that I feel that sensation in my eyes. Um, but I also noticed that when doing different tasks on the computer, like maybe browsing the web or different checking different files or email, I don't feel that burning sensation, but I do feel it at times, but not as often as when doing gaming. And of course, you also have only 42%, so you will still have blue light going through these glasses. Also, just because I'm having this experience with these classes does not mean that you're going to also have that. It's going to depend on the monitor that you have. So maybe you have a much more updated monitor. So I have an older one, and maybe they're producing more blue light than the one that you have. So when and also the settings that you have your display will also depend. So if you have right, a better monitor, and you combine it with these sunglasses, with these glasses, then you can probably get a much better experience than what I have here. So so yeah, another great thing that this glasses have is that they also have this sun clips that you can add to the glasses. And these are also polarized, which is great. And the test that you can do here is just turning them on your monitor here, and you should see that effect here happening. So that tells you that they are polarized. So I actually bought both of them here, the black and the brown one here. and because I was undecided which one to get, but I can tell you that I'm glad I got both of them because I feel like both of them need to be used in different lighting conditions. So the brown one I use it when it's cloudy outside because I feel like the brown one is much brighter as you can see, and the black one it's makes everything look dimmer. So when the black one I use it when it's really bright outside, when it's really sunny, it's much better. And right, and the brown one as you can see makes everything look a little bit brighter, and I prefer to use them in right when it looks like it's going to rain and there's still some sun, so I use them in that time. So it's going to be a preference. You probably can use the brown one for every lighting conditions. That's going to depend on you. I just prefer the way I'm doing it right now. And the great thing is that polarized glasses are really nice. Right, to me I think that they are offer the best protection against the sun rays that are bouncing from different objects, because light is bouncing from trees and water and from the street, and you get all that light. And what the polarized glasses do is that they block that light. So another great thing here is that you also get this case here, and I like the way it folds and you're able to uh, right, to carry it like this, so it's really portable. And then you just pull it back again, and it offers that nice protection here as you can see. So pretty cool, I really like it. So I told you that I was going to tell you two other options here if you don't want to spend the money and buy these glasses. So I'm going to show you here. So Windows here has this option that is a night light protection. So you need to activate it here, and then you move it depending on how much color you want, right? So as you can see, it's more of a reddish color now, and that's probably just blocking, it's not producing too much blue or green light, I believe. So if we move it all to 0, it's normal. And another option you have is that, I don't know if your monitor may have it, but you can adjust the setting of your monitor and press here the this one for example has the allows me to customize the RGB colors. And as you can see here, I can select each individual color, and if I go to the blue one, I can reduce it all the way to the bottom, and as you can see, it's turning more yellowish. And if I lower the green one, you're gonna see that it also creates the same effect as Windows does. As you can see, it's just completely red now. But what I can tell you is that having just the red and green color makes it a little bit difficult to distinguish some objects, for example, especially with gaming. So as you can see, but the great thing of doing it in the monitor is that I can also adjust the red one. So if I don't want too much red, I can lower it, and I can have more of a greenish color here. So that's the only disadvantage with Windows that you cannot do here. Also, if you need to for any reason go back and see the blue color again, it's going to be a little bit of a pain having to do it from here, from the settings on the monitor, because right, you need to go back and adjust it again. And with Windows it's just much easier here. You just turn it on, you move it, and then you turn it off in case you need to go back and see some other if you need to work on a project on editing or something. So so yeah, that's all I have to share, guys. If you found this video helpful, your likes will be appreciated. Consider subscribing for any future videos, and if you have any comments, let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.